Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can find all information of any Steam profile. Now this is the Steam ID, total hours played, the value of the account you're looking for, and any other information about a Steam profile. Now you can do this with your friends, you can do this with your own profile. I'm going to show you straight away, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your Steam application and sign into your existing account. Now, from there you go to your profile. Now, if you want to do this with your own profile, simply copy the link right here. Now, what we want to do, I'm going to show you this with a random friend Steam profile. Now, let's say I want to do this for Artemis right here. Now, what I want to do, as you can see, there's not a lot of information right here. Now, I want to copy this Steam link. I want to go to my preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and here I want to go to steamdb.info. Now here you open up the calculator right here and paste the Steam URL right here. Now simply press enter, and what this will do, it will scan Artemis' whole profile. Now, as you can see here, we have the account valuation, roughly 750 euros. Let's say he buys all his games that he owns right now, he will be spending roughly 2,000 euros. Now here we have the hours on record, the total amount of playtime, and here this is a funny one, average price per hour. Now let's say this is divided by the 2,000, you get around 6 cents per hour playing. Now here if we scroll down, here we can find the Steam ID, and as you can see, when I paste the URL, a few seconds ago, I couldn't see his Steam ID. Now I can right here. Here we have the hours on a record in paid games, in free games, and as you can see, if I scroll down, here we have a whole lot of information. Here we can go to his inventory, his wish list, his games, everything about this profile I can see. Now this is quite interesting, and you can do this with your friends, with yourself. Here you can see the amount of years that the account is, and it's quite interesting. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.